Good morning, wonderful fans. Oh God. Good morning. Good morning to everybody. I'm live. My job not share right. Yeah, good share. Mr. Asemo. Baby I comedy the for no we there's a good afternoon. It's almost 12:05. Yeah. You're live. My job not share. My job not share right. I hope so be on here. Birthday boy, I'm live. Birthday boys. Sister Akiti go school. Nje dem ebusa. Go school. And then Uncle Beyou live. Yeah. Ojoba no share why. Thank you for joining. Share, please. Okay. I hope everybody's fine. Yesterday was my birthday, and on that Mochema Beyou was very massive. I really appreciate it. Namin Shamunina for your wishes, for the support, for the love you guys showed me yesterday. Because then I made that, and without you guys Namin to the birthday in the man successfully without your wishes and your support and prayers. Yeah, Oche, good afternoon. I'm doing great, Oche. Thank you for watching. Please share. Happy birthday. Thank you, Queen. I hope you are doing great. Okay, Mira Hassan, happy birthday once again. Thank you very much. How are you, Uncle Beyou? Jima, I'm doing great. Please, what about you? So, it's gonna make thank you all for the support. Akiti's at school, Akitiko school, Queen. Yeah, I was school, me pacho. Happy birthday, my dear brother. God bless you. God bless you too. God bless Munina also for the wishes and the support. Namishamo. Mumvanche me say, my pictures national. Mentima reply my messages now, and then my fault. Mumvanche me yesterday the pressure was too much. The pressure was very high because now at the moment now we are off to donation now na pressure no and no anything kakra. Mumvanche yesterday I reply messages no. You reply but you my reply in answer. But why it reply or no? I think Yet my reply as well. I'm replying you guys here. Thank you very much. How old are you? Nana Blee Shiamechiraman Ganjawai. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. You see back. Captain Akete is at school, Oko school. Good afternoon, my brother. How are you doing? How is my sister? Our sister is Akete is doing great. Uncle, have you married? No, not yet. Nana Blee, okay, let me just join you right now. My first. Man, I'm connecting you, okay, but don't ask me that question. Okay, if you make some changes. Okay, Mira. Thank you very much for such comment. We're working on that, okay? Yeah. Birthday, thank you. Okay. Queen Alipa, thank you for joining. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Nana Fusu. Good afternoon to you. Randy, how are you doing? I'm good, Mira. Mary, I'm fine. I'm doing great. Yep. Tina Sena de Mamo, Namisha Wina, for the support you showed Beyou comedy yesterday. Nana Fusu GH. Okay, thank you very much for watching us. Italy room, I see you guys. Thank you. So, number and no, I donation. Oh, Kumasi Amakum and Kase. Kumasi Amakum and Kase. You donate the needies, Oma, Omuhina, Omokubi, and the Koma. Yeah. And you were there yesterday, and we had a successful donation. Yeah. Good afternoon. I'm doing great. Please join in. Okay. Where is baby? Your baby is at school. Akiti was school. My birthday to you, Uncle Beyou. Thank you very much. Hello, sir. Much for calling. When you are so called, Kafra. A small girl looks like you. Oh yeah, love you so much, bro. Thank you very much, Nishaba Higa. Bless up, sis. Mama David, I see you. How are you? Doing great. Keep on doing a good work. God bless you. Queen Adepa, thank you very much for such comments. May the Lord bless you for your donation. Amen. Amen on that. Amen on that. God bless you more. Love you. See you, Mary. I see you. Donation. The video is out on YouTube. Top of the donation there for you now. It's on YouTube. That dropping in the year. It's here in Chevia. But I'm going to share my watching your life from a pamper. So I see you, Kofi Boateng. Yo, my bro, Kofi Boateng. I see you. My Kokobi nigga, bro. 24/7. Much love, bro. Let me shout. Keep watching Beyou comedy. Papa, all the best. Thank you. Little best the wishes. Come blessing. I see you. Doris, sir. I'm doing great. What up, bro? Aponkwache. I see you. I love you, Uncle Beyou. Smith, Daniela. I love you too, okay? Hey, Berry. I look like your ex. Now, wow. Okay, anyway. Cool. So how was your guy looking like? Mommy, this guy, mommy had this was semi. I make hi. Everybody to you, my dear. Thank you very much, Calendar. Okay, Alpha. Good afternoon. Wish you a prosperous life. Thank you very much. Keep showing let me shout. I just share about good afternoon. I man, life forever. Amen. Thank you very much. Audition about watching you from a dim pamper. So, like I see you, bro. I see you. I belated birthday to you. I'm Becky TV. Just give me contact, please. At the pa Becky TV. Becky, okay. Becky TV, right? Drop your number, Becky. Drop your number here, okay. I'll contact you. Just drop it, okay. Yeah. I think he said I should drop my number for you, so I think it's best for you to drop it here. So, or DM me privately, so we chat over there. Becky TV, I see you. Okay. Hey, please. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. Why is Akete? Akete is at school. Akusia, no worries. Oh dear, war. Akusia, no worries. I see you. Akete is at school. Why? Oparabia, true. Champion Beyou now where Akete? Akete is at school. But it was school. And then Wednesday, yeah. Thank you very much. Please, Obano, I need to drop a speak. You guys look alike. Oh, you can drop it from the comment section, okay? Just drop it from the comment section if but we know as I'm going for back because your ex. Anyway, that was just by the way. If I'm here serious. Nana Kwame, please can you DM me right now? DM us right now. After this live, I'll go there to check up with you. So we have some chat, okay? Nana Kwame and Becky TV. DM me after this live. I'll contact you guys. So you know what to do. Yep. I see you. Go with you. Yeah, I have my guy here doing the replies. That's in Asabre. That's my bro from another mother. My guy, there's a number drop here. Type it for me. At the part. My bro, my team, my everything. He did here doing the replies for me. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, we are here. He's here with me. Shall I come and say hi?
Hello.
Yeah, see that guy. Yeah.
I'm doing the replying, right?
So anything you tell me, okay, relax. Nana, Adepa. I think my bro have just replied you soon, so your contact is saved here. After that, we have a conversation. Don't worry. Love you, be great activity for me. Thank you very much. Please share. That's in here. Sorry, baby. Hakusia, no worries, no. Oh dear, whoa. Add me to your group. Nana keep back for WhatsApp group, right? Okay, don't worry. DM us, or drop your contact. Okay, drop your contact. I'm in Shamina. I was the happiest guy on earth yesterday. And to all, if September bonds, you are blessed. You are blessed. You understand? You are blessed. Ah, you come to the world. Only the birthday and share. God bless you people. You are doing fantastic job. Where's Akete? Akete is at school. And the choir is watching you. I see you, Charlie. Okay, I guess I'm reply from Asabre there. Okay, that's Asabre. Yep. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Who's joining? Someone wants to join. Please, you can join me right now. I think I'm okay with that. So I was here to thank you guys for the love you showed me yesterday. Thank you. I'm adding up. Hello there.
Hi.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It is saying,
Namiado Mbokona so
me hoye pa. Me show. The uncle pass. Me show free Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Wow. Okay.
Patan.
Okay.
Shakete mami why?
Mate, Akete better post go better be why.
Yo, Martin, that's the support. Uncle Punch Shrow. Any word my power ye.
Amen.
Na me phone great.
Amen. I'm sure I'm going to be you comedy man. Why?
Ye be shepa de bia ye she.
Okay.
De bia ye she. Ewo YouTube. De bia.
I'm
Amen. Inshallah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. God bless you. I love you so much. I'm very proud of you. I pray God should always protect you. Okay. Amen. I say what this. Amen. Okay. We are doing the replies there. I see you, Emadek TV. Emadek TV, I see you. Main page of Beyou comedies. I replying the messages. Every message you guys you sent, you replying as you are talking. So anything you say, you reply it here, and also through chat, and also typing. Okay. Anytime I see you, I'm proud of you. Thank you very much. Beyou comedy size. I mean, sure, big ups to you. My person may somebody like may be a young hustlers number 5. So they motivate you on my movie. That's the thing I want to set here. Ghanaians, young guys, you guys are hustling. You can use my testimony and my hard work to motivate yourself. Yeah, Akete is at school, please. Okay. Where's Akete? I miss her. God bless her. Okay. Big up to Emadek TV. Very much see you. Sunyane watching us live from Sunyane. Emadek TV on YouTube. Emadek TV on Facebook. Big ups to you for the support. Kole, I see you. Thank you for repping. I thank all medias for coming. Emadek TV rep yesterday, and also this Poku One TV came. Shishi Baby One TV came. Akwasi TV was here. Beyou Comedy was around, and Kumasi Online was around, and Amori TV was there too. Amori TV, Amorit AMORIT, Amori TV. I see you, bro. I need the WhatsApp number. Daniela. Okay. Drop your number, Daniela. Drop your number, brother. Okay, that'll be good for us. Are you in a relationship? Ajo, I'm sorry, I'm not dating. Okay, thank you very much. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Congratulations. Okay, big ups to you. Sister Comfort, I'm adding you. Happy belated birthday. Thank you. Hi. Hello.
Hello, that's the same.
That's it.
I'm here.
And I paid us off. I can see it. Yes. But then I go insta.
Now, anyway.
Costco, but and then I say, yeah. I've dropped it on YouTube, but watch it.
And I mean, we
Notification. Which other call a channel on my Beyou Comedy on, and now after this go on, maybe I'm meant to me advance and do, but let's try to make the link and send the on. As I'm so quite a first video. Why?
Yo, and my honum says, yeah.
But
Hey, that's
let me
the
anytime you are going live. I'll join you like this. Said they were joining me there now, so you have a chat over there.
Okay.
What channel did you follow? What channel?
Oh yeah, Time with Meek Foundation.
Time with
It's about Time with Meek
Meek
Foundation.
Foundation. Time with Meek
Facebook.
Foundation on YouTube and Facebook. Okay.
Yeah. No, yeah. Promote cassette kind of saying they don't have respect for disabled people.
Yeah. So be an
That is all about time with
okay. Yep.
yeah. And today be or you disabled or share juma almost say or you'll be like it's been juma. It's young man or juma no it's sana that is what brought up Time with Meek.
Okay.
We said a bay bit me abo monsa call one.
Okay.
It's not obi omunko follow me. Na yen na yen buan promote
Time with Meek Foundation. Yeah.
yeah.
Said them we now no say it's the same as said them make a donation outside no. Because you could do no. We had an encounter over there which I was very sad because Nkrana your coach Omaduane no who fine like I say obi for munya no baby amujina na ye tell adie mo no there's a man came there just to sack them say free home be ye having Charlie it was very chaos. I was very sad yesterday. Yeah. What's up, come on? I was very sad yesterday, but many man kasa ma at least about from kakra because money was say we are say obi a nipa so I say nipa no oni kroma no ma ne Ghana ni no fi be aba the same thing now also so no you may not know say what's next in your life. You can be in that situation the same like that every day. So I was very sad yesterday, seriously. I nearly cried, seriously.
Yeah, for the while you see a binim see yeah or more we disabled na very bad. Or yet so can't nipa home, but they are part of nature.
Yeah.
But near I have my parents or muka so we in Suba. Nice and yes, sir. Or muka or more shared you so I was say a more movie. Until ama like me I'm a disabled for it's I the Facebook Time with Meek Foundation. Until the one at Suya and I use Suya.
It's very good. It's very good. So, Sister Amma, England, please be on it. I will approve you very soon after I'm done talking to my one and only sister. Okay. Anyway.
Yeah. Nah. Oh, you can now show be as a catering services and also call Instagram a comfort kitchen back
Okay.
African food via weche dokuno bibia o contact here you be near the bro.
Okay. Thank you very much. Comfort Kitchens and all platform YouTube, Instagram, and also Facebook. Who UK na Opegane dia both fruit to know and a friend say dawa no mamu and cherry action how you cherry
Mama na Kobe ni na o pe bi ato abenya bi o contact comfort kitchen.
Hey, Ghana UK.
Ja.
Well, anyway, thank you very much. Yeah, but you can be DB, preference.
Oh, Mumra. I can't wait. I can't quiet on his phone.
What am I invite? Why? Every bumpy. Invite me, but you're coming home.
Yeah,
okay.
Me, I crying to be your best year. One on one.
I know. So have a nice day.
Yeah, how months back penny trouble.
Okay.
It's an ever.
That's it.
Into the Maminia, you ever cast away.
We
are our friend.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
I'm in England, please. I'm adding you, please. Will you please tell her I want some why? Some. The ma, please says the name is Comfort kitchens on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You are too much. I'm waiting you live from Libya, but I mean, I'm a Ghanaian love you. Okay, Kwame, like I see you, Charlie. Your bumpire say be 2 points. I mean, more than 2 points. Be draw about me when life and color. Your bumpire. You add me so I can call you. Mary, I'm coming. Mary, just send your request, okay? Mary, send a request. You want to join, please. Mary, send a request, okay? Which one is the? You don't know interior. Hello, sir. Yes, I was.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, senior.
Bachaba kwa die.
Me ba John here.
Onyame adom ho ye pa. Akete mpan se na ho ye.
Ho ye pa go school.
Ye de ame ase. Me kasa free Italy.
Thank you. But I got the friend ba.
Italy.
Italy, okay.
Oh, mo command India no na ye de didi ya ni wa ye o. Eno na me ye sere sa.
Oh, wow. You don't want to pass why? You know, me sure because we there be.
Nyame nhye mo de nyame mama hoden. Wa.
Amen.
Wa chia akete mpan se nso ama fa. Akete mpan se.
What's
Okay, ne nyame nka mo ho.
Okay. Gracias.
Okay.
Sister Amma England, please can you connect, please? I'm adding you up, but it seems you are not connecting. Hi.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem. Say Biaboko. Yamiado. Nakita
I'm a jacket to go school.
way. Maybe a man vibe, no a mafia, you know. Say, God, they will lose God.
I say no. Is it competition? I hear you. I 50-50.
Yeah, they.
Competition, I 50-50.
And I'm saying, maybe money bribe, not a one mafia, you know, they say there.
Is it for me? I mean, share.
They say the year who so 50 years who so cry, your pen or a year 50. Aye.
Okay. As you wish. We are moving myself. Because I can name is
Hey, shit. I get it there. Missy be crazy, my girl, be friend, Miss Wansa, there, oh, but I'm on that small girl go. Oh, there, small girl, I know your old fancy, and I'm seeing you now, say, oh, fancy for.
so
Yeah. Oh, I
that's it.
get it. It's in the money bribe. And no, I'm a farm, number, no. Let me try some my friend, but back. I think say no more you busy.
Ned Dumana.
I don't know, na a call voice mail though.
A voice note. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Which number is it? 24. Because it's two numbers. One is not active for the moment. But after this conversation, let's DM and exchange contact. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
that one is the Ned Dumana. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But me WhatsApp, I think the me
I'm
who
England.
was like me save and about WhatsApp though. And then mommy the
Oh, okay.
friend. Yeah.
Okay. After let's get back to WhatsApp. We
Oh,
catch up.
okay. See, me my Bible nature. I get me we me and him na say the M say. Yeah. Nti mo de mami jamo na obi fufuro nso me kasa bi.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Because I know for more.
Me si mami jamo na obi fufuro nso me kasa bi me WhatsApp mo. Nti bibi ani a. I'll let you guys know.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but because I can see my husband maintain a casual.
Me say there.
Okay. Yes, I'm joining back Beyou. That's the next of me about.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much for the support. Sister Amma in my team is working on that, so they'll drop you the contact. Check your DM. The name is Dachinya Sabre. Yeah. Madin, okay. God bless you all for. I have to come take a picture. Hello. Work on as well. Boy, mommy has been. This is my I don't know. Everybody see how because I go for I don't know. You get to I don't know. Please, I'm coming. Hello. Sir. Oh, my guy. Check his sound number. Okay. That's a pa. Let me show up. And then what? On take us now. My not coming here. Uh, let's talk me about here. Hello. But I know what check it. No, Casano. I am Bazi and take us on the bio. I want to personal line. Beyou not Joyce. My guy. Chat. Contact. Beyou not Joyce for me. Beyou not Joyce just by. Please, can you guys hear me? Oh, network. What? My guy, what you make us? Let me say because that's a man for someone too. What's the make us? Please, can you hear me? Please, can you hear me? Okay. I think connecting. I want to see you one day, Elizabeth. Okay. Yami boy, you won't pay. You wish you why? You are sorry. Our sound is messing up. We sorry for that. We sorry for the loss of sound. Thank you, please. Yes, can you hear? You can hear us, okay? Yeah, poor network. Elizabeth, you're back. I don't know if I add you guys. Kasan everybody, yeah. Sure. Okay. It's clear. Okay. I'll see you. So you can join us. You can join back. Let's start. You can join back. Okay. Greetings, watching you live from Dubai. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. And for your support and your wishes. Easy. The donation was very stressed, but all the same, no. Now make our quite busy as well. So we were done with the let's say donation now was I'm a traffic. I think most fans saw us and at least we having a good time with them, and we also moved to Kase. That was our last location. Yeah. So, but then we never say for that. But just share video in my way. Share my. You can join. I'm Daniel live from a Sen district. Okay. Aja, I see you. Pakosi Marinya, bro. God bless you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I feel it. That's a boy. The will come. Yeah. That's a bros.
Maybe I will call.
Let me have them work on as well.
Now, I can't wait.
But I get to go school. Me Janya Besa. Or Timmy will come.
Or two are best
Obese.
or if M say Yashamo Pa na.
Yeah.
They are more than a bois. But wouldn't say Ghana dear. I did ya assess no a yana a headache kaka. And send me the idea, but say we focus with their whole area. And I also think say I can't say put me actually you because there are a lot of potentials in her. Because they say now often at this stage and say we to the training now would send me and you know because you won't be more almost as well on quality but she can't buy nothing buy almost buy us ahomaso ne ahantan bi na de nti no onye no e say utu eche no enoma bi na ahobrase eba na brabo ngo eno na ebetu aboa no na watumi ayere akọ nanim na ma wani esuye de enko no ho school no so de ehia so obetumi abe big pa school no so ebeboa nti no I just call to encourage you say some of us there yehwe pa every day there's no single day mention my video whether old or new me share no every day into no yeah bo empire and my mom why we are a bear in fact no I have the best and why
wow
okay bye
that's it let me share pane football dia my SBT I say bibis obi nim say me nim sa atwi no nim se na chiatia I don't know how to hide I say mo me atwi no so minimo yeah how the same no let me share for that papa right
sure
okay that's now your friend say
your friend PK Beyou your friend PK
okay thank you guys
sure
boa saba hello you call me Regan Matthew I'll call you Mary Gray my Mary Gary he said I want to take picture in my room my first message but I don't know you hey I thank you to you kitty sister okay anyway you're always welcome Beyou comedy and Kitty, you are free to everybody. Our fans are like brothers and sisters and like mother and father, you understand? Thank you. When I come to Ghana, I'll surely support you guys because I love Akiti so much. Thank you very much. When I'm sad, okay, big ups. Mary Gary, that's what I'll call you, okay? Mary Gary, I see you. Okay, I hope. Let me show more. And big ups to Jamaican Senior High School. That's my old my former school SHS. Big ups to you guys. You guys are watching us. Yeah. Then some comments say Jamaican you are watching us live. Let me show you for watching us. Jamaican Senior High School. So one of you school. 2014 batch. I see you KG. Particularly I see you. You are a guy, and I call me again to himself, man. I'm a motivated speaker. I really love you. Big up to you, and I call me motivated speaker. I see you. Fellow star, baby. I'm doing great. Please share. Me too. That's my former school. I could see a video of the Ghana for next year. Good job. Keep it up. Thank you. Mabna, you declined the conversation. Why? Hope you enjoy your Kobe pizza. Will you please, Gray? Kobe pizza na kitchen man birthday. But tomorrow is our video no. Mo go on YouTube why. Mary Gray. Sorry, okay, it's not Gary. Mary Gray. I hear. Show her how to respect. Please show her how to respect. Salome Amete. In particular, what she a kitchen man akasa ni our children. So a kitchen paying he respect a lot. Due to the training I'm training at Kete, he do respect a lot. Whether you are small or big, he respect everybody. Outside, he is respectful outside. But in the camera, no, in the comedies you are shooting, no, comedy is like he's portraying someone's character. You understand? Abia Akete don't respect in the comedy. It actually shows that Akete is disrespectful. You understand? In real life, Akete is not in Peninsular. In real life, Akete is not in Peninsular. The director, I am the director. I'm behind it. I'm the director. I'm behind it. I'm behind what Akete is doing. I thought Akete, oh, this is the scenario. You understand? Timeshemo. Akete respect a lot. Thank you very much. Akusha, no, you please, you don't give something. Okay. Akusha, come for your cake. Come for your cake. Mary. Hey, Mary. Mary. I mean, like you're coming to it. I like you, my wife. You're my classmate. I already met you. Everyone is hard. Everyone is hard. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You made my birthday very, very nice. My wish is not crying. Why I meant to my reply, you know. Why ain't my reply or comments about my birthday, you know, on my pictures, no, and I said, what DM me? And I said, reply, pressure and all thing. Pressure and all thing. And yeah, easy. And yeah, easy. But all the same, never chance. My obvious or I don't like engineer. Beyou, seriously, I'm happy. I can't tell how much I'm happy seeing you here. Okay, no problem. Let me give you this opportunity. Connect, okay? Connect. Just send your requests. I'll add you. So we talk face to face. Mary Gary. You understand? Which one? Yes, the name no Mary Gray. I don't know why you mistake here, Mary Gary. So I also want a mistake no. Okay, so Mary Gray. Waiting for your request. Okay. Nice room. Thank you. Nice room. I miss you, boy. Madam Ase. Please share. I love Akete. She's a nice girl. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the love. I'm Shama. Good afternoon. So one machine, and if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me here. I'm here for you guys. Anything you want to ask, you can ask. Okay. Any question you want to ask, you can ask. Okay. Okay. Kumasi Ahinema Kokobeng. Yeah, I see you. I'm a wunu. God says, I see you, bro. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. So keep it up. It's not easy work. Yeah, Regan. It's not easy. Not easy. Please, good. I'm watching you guys from Dubai. Thank you very much for Joseph. I see you. Saramai, may God bless you. Ken Atta, God bless you too. Thank you for the love, Mariam. Big ups to you. Where is the video you said you would drop yesterday? The video is dropped. It's dropped on YouTube. On YouTube, please. And I'm going to say on YouTube. So I shared the link on Facebook. We shared a link for her Facebook yesterday. That was yesterday, yeah. And I'm about by 8 minutes. It's YouTube now. First video. You just go on YouTube. Search Beyou comedy on YouTube. What the Beyou comedy? First, last but one video because I dropped a donation not to honor. But with my penny, senior penny with mommy, Emadek penny with mommy now. They should know the name. You are now the link to YouTube now. Not the link, the name on YouTube now. Beyou comedy should be typed here so that you guys can follow up to watch it. Yeah. Well, Uncle Beyou, God bless you so much. Rukia. 20 years. I made it to you more years. Thank you. You do. God bless you yesterday for sharing. I'm Shama. I made it to you. Thank you. Asuma Christiana, you're coming live, okay? Thank you. Please your number. DM us, okay? I'm not DM. How old are you? Minke, Riga Minka. What am I coming for you? What? Have a this long life. God bless you more. God bless you too. Where is Akete? Akete is at school. Akete is at school.
Hi, good afternoon. Ewatoyo now, so a happy birthday to you. God bless you. You are there.
Amen.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, so thank you for the wish. Let me show up why.
Ewatoyo.
Okay. Never talk as a friend.
Because of free share, by me or Iraq this year.
Iraq. Okay. Say hi to Iraq. Let's say fans of Beyou comedy over there. I'm sure we now.
Martin.
Okay. Thank you very much. Ajo America. Ajo Medica. Amadia. Okay, please comment. Let's go. Hi. Hello. Hello. What you say? I don't make a second. I'm take us on the phone. DM us. DM normal page right now. Ajo. Meet you on September. Okay. Okay, so the link have been dropped there. The link is dropped here from Kofi Asian. That's the link to a kitchen penny's birthday present for Uncle Beyou. Yeah. Ajua Medica, you hung up. The network is very bad. I'm sorry. Okay. Hit my DM, okay. My guy, is here 20 years, eh? Hey, 20 years. 20 years, man, you know, share. 20 years. I said, well, I'm talking to me. Yeah. I said, well, Akete, I love you so much. Akete, love you too. The network is very bad. Yeah, serious network is very bad. I know. I can see it here, Adwa. I can see it there, okay? Hit the DM, okay? After this conversation, watching you live from Kuwait. I see you, Asante Selena. Thank you for watching us. Please share. I'm in England. You're back. I can see you watching us live right now. Okay. Anyway, I'm just about to go. Oh God, I miss you guys. I'll miss you guys. I'm about to leave. I'm Shamina for joining. Please, if you want to talk to me, if any question you want to ask, just hit the DM, hit the message DM right now. After this conversation, reply messages, and also anything you want to ask me, you can ask me about it. The time is up. Mary. Oh, Mary, I told you to join. You didn't join, you know. Mary, I told you to join. You didn't join. Yeah, make us a brava. Send me a request now. I really like you. I like you too. Okay. I'm watching you live from Italy. I'll miss you, pa. Oh, Mary, Miko. You're a small boy. That was you did. Come on, who knew you crowd how many years? When you was say. Between you was say. Oh, not forgetting my drop here in to YouTube, Mr. Monko my right. Beyou comedy donation of their course would be a kitten penny was live. Beyou was live. Monko MIA. That means Shamina. I'll miss you. I'll miss you too. Mary, I'll miss you too. Ajua. You talk. Apare, Bia, MTN. Okay. Smuggle look like you. I can tell them what person now. I bet you, my God. I mean, Timinko. Oh, Ajua, why is I'm Maka? Everyone say, Mary, why is I'm Maka? I don't know. The Coca Menka. Franklin Opoku, part of you too. Jamaican Senior High School. Big up watching you live from Dubai. I see you. But I'm also on the program because that's the honor that's me fancy. I'm proud to be a Jamaican Senior High student. Yeah. I'm England. I cry, Menka. Watching live from Nigeria, Lagos State. Yo, my fans are Nigeria. I see you guys. Thank you. Mary, thank you very much. Keep it up. God bless you. So have a nice day. I'm Sham. I'm Sham. Fancy now. I'm Kokobin Lagos. I see you guys. Kokobin Lagos, my brotherly. Where I was born, where I was raised. Kokobin Lagos. I see you guys. All students, Jamaican Senior High School 2014 batch. I see you guys. I see my team. That is Boniface, Kido, and Bomisoki, Losam. A whole lot. Big ups to Sister Comfort Kitchen. I see you. Akete Empanese. I see you as well. There was Akete, much love. Old school, but I respect Akete so much. All students from DAS 2013, live from US. Okay, I'm not going to tell you are repping, you are trending, Kumasi to the world. Let me shout, you know. Much love. Ajua Megika. I see you. Mary, I see you guys. Okay, and also Mary. Bye. Will you come and see the word? Oh, but my course is still my course. Hey, Mary, son of my uncle. Mary say Mary Gary. You know, I was Mary Green. Mary, son of my uncle. I put my choice. Oh. Okay. Let me sham. Do you come and see the word? I mean, sham. Keep supporting them, man. I see you too. Okay, bye. Much love.